off today. Get the roll cage off, got the batteries out, pull the other old tank off. We're actually going to use the bumpers for air tanks on the new design. Since we've got 6-inch pipe, maybe 8, we've got plenty of volume in those, so we're going to use the bumpers for air. So we're trying to shed as much weight as we can. Going to pull the roll cage in a minute. Going to take the roll cage off. Got it ready to lift, so next we'll pick it up.